Hey guys, RTT back here for that video. Guys, today we have a really cool unboxing, but real fast I want to say thank you so much for every one of you guys that hit that subscribe button. I do appreciate immensely. We have now hit 1,000 subscribers on this channel, and I cannot believe I am saying that milestone right now because it's absolutely an amazing milestone. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. With that being said though, we do have a really cool unboxing today because it's actually going to be a Magsafe cord that works with the Surface Duo 1 and Surface Duo 2. So pretty much what Magsafe is, you guys do not know, it's a port that is found on MacBooks, and you're able to go ahead, instead of plugging your actual charging cord in to your MacBook, you simply just hover over it and it automatically through magnets connects and starts charging your device. Now that is what we are able to do with, of course, the Surface Duo 2. Now Surface Duo 2 does not have wireless charging. We're going to be talking about that in a second, how this could be used toward wireless charging. So starting off right away, in the actual box, you do receive 3 different cables and a little scrunchie that lets you be able to work on cable management. Again, like I said, we're going to be talking about it in a second when it comes to actually using these cables to help us wirelessly charge our phone. So starting off right away, all 3 of these cables are exactly the same. They're all 3.4 feet long. There will be a link down below in the description to the actual listing of this if you want to pick it up for yourself. So how Magsafe works for this, instead of it being that we just hover over the port, instead it's going to go ahead and be we take off the end tip of the actual charging port, and whether you use USB-C or again micro USB, both of them are included. You just plug that little end of port into your cell phone, and that's when you're able to get really Magsafe / wireless charging getting started. So you guys see right here, we have the end tip right here. So either wireless, we can use USB-C or micro USB. We take off the end tip here. Now we're going to put this in our actual phone. So you guys see right here, we've gone and put it in the port. And I know it's going to give you a little bit of an intruded port. Now, if you do have the bumper case, you're not going to really notice too much, but it does go ahead and intrude a tad bit out of the phone. I don't really think it's a big deal because again, what you get from having this is actually amazing. And right there, you can see that's Magsafe. That's literally what Magsafe is. You just hover over it and bam, it instantly connects. You can pull off the cable without any hesitation. It takes you 10 seconds to pull off the cable, plug it back in, pull it off, plug it back in. No hassle at all. Now, the cool thing about this is where wireless charging gets involved in this whole entire video, because you can actually go ahead and if you mount this correctly, let's say on a stand or on a wireless charging pad, you can turn this into wireless charging, guys. Because again, yes, you have to always have that thing in that little port in your actual charging port, but as long as you have that in there, you can, in your home, on your desk, or wherever your setup is, just go ahead and actually, even with $5 duct tape, I know it might not look classy, but for $5 duct tape, you can duct tape this cord to a stand, to a charging pad, and just simply place your phone down, and it will instantly start charging your phone just like wireless charging will. Because again, all you have to do is put your phone in orientation, wherever that cable is coming in, you're able to just go ahead and simply put it down, bam, and start charging it, pull it off when you are done charging it, and be along with your business. You don't have to worry about plugging something in anymore, guys. Now, the same concept applies, again, like I said before, you know, I know I'm going to get the comment, well, you have to plug it in to get that cord to work. But that's the same concept with wireless charging. You have to plug in the wireless charging pad to get it to work. At the end of the day, if you mount it correctly, like I'm going to show you right here on the wireless charging pad, you can just simply put that cord right here. You can put it at the very top of that charging pad, let's say the very end, right? Duct tape it down so it won't move. And all you have to do in order to go ahead and actually set everything up, put your Surface Duo 2 straight down, right where that thing is. It will instantly connect because it's magnets, and charge your phone. When you're done, pull it off, and if you duct tape it correctly, the cable won't move, and you're able to instantly charge your device without any hesitation at all, literally using wireless charging on this device. Like I said before, it's an easy concept, and again, I'm honestly surprised I didn't think about this before. Can you guys see right here? Look, bam, pull it off, just like that. It's literally just magnets, and I'm doing this all with one hand, so I know it's going to be a little bit... Oh, I'm doing 2 hands, but I'm trying to hold it one hand. I know it's going to be a little bit more difficult. If I had this duct tape down, securely down, it would be a lot easier, but that's all you do. That simple. And again, like I said, Magsafe at the end of the day, whether you use it for wireless charging or not, you can or not, but when it comes to literally Magsafe, this is so amazing. I love this cable for the Surface Duo 2, and I definitely recommend picking it up because again, it's only like $16. Very cheap, very affordable, and avoids you having to get a wireless charging paddle in the back. Now with MagSafe, you can do it all. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.